So we are going to do one problem based on what linearly dependent set. So here is the question given. Show that the vectors, so three vectors are given. In that each vector is having three elements. We have to form a linearly dependent set. We have to understand the fact that the answer will start from here. So this is not given in the question. Okay. We have to understand here that in order to prove linearly dependent set and the vectors are given, we have to form that vectors into a square matrix. That square matrix we have to find the determinant. If the determinant is coming out as 0, then we can say that this particular vectors of set is linearly dependent. So the answer will start from here. Whenever there is given a vectors, you name it as what? x1, x2, x3. It is not necessary you have to name it as x1, x2, x3. Any name you can read. So you have to write the vectors in what? A column wise. So column matrix you have to form. So three vectors I have taken, I have formed. So first I have named x1, second x2, third x3. Okay, so this is minus 2, x3. So three matrix, three vectors I have formed here column wise. Next step is that these three matrix, if you combine together, there will be three rows and three columns. Therefore, it can form a square matrix. So I can say that the x1, x2, x3 vectors column wise, if I take, I can form what? A square matrix. Right? I can form what? A square matrix. Then this particular square matrix, how to write? That is the question, right? So I'll name it that square matrix as A. First you take the x1 value, which is this one, write it column wise. So 1, 2, 3, place it over here. Second vector you take, it is 3, minus 2, 1. Third vector you take, it will be 1, minus 6, minus 5. Now after getting this, we have to just find the determinant of particular matrix. This particular matrix, this is 3 cross 3, 3 rows and 3 columns. We have to first find what? Determinant. How to find the determinant? We can expand through any column, any row and find out the determinant. You might have studied that. So I'll expand through what? First row. First row, three elements are there. So first element I'll take 1. So write it over here 1 into. So what is the element? After leave this row and column. So wherever is 1 sitting, leave that particular row and column. What is left out? This particular thing is left out. Now here we have to multiply. How to multiply? Minus 2 into minus 5 minus 1 into minus of, okay, minus of 1 into minus 6. So it will be minus 2 into minus 5 minus 1 into minus 6. Done. That particular row we are having the next element as 3. But be careful when you are writing the second element, always you have to put what? Minus sign into. Leave this row and column. So wherever 3 is sitting, leave that particular row, column. What is left out? 2, 3, minus 6, 5. Multiply. 2 into minus 5 minus 3 into minus 6. 2 into minus 5 minus 3 into minus 6. Next, last element which is 1. So write 1. Here it is plus 1 only. Okay, only the second element is minus. Leave this particular column and row. What is left out? This part. Multiply 2 into 2 into 1 minus 3 into minus 2. So 2 into 1 minus 3 into minus 2. Okay, so that part is done. Now this determinant A we have to now basically solve. So determinant A is equal to 1 minus 10 minus plus 6 minus 3 into minus 10 plus 18. Then here it will be 2 plus 6. Wait, so it will be 16 minus, now this is how much? 8, 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 8. How much will be getting? 0. Right? So the determinant A, you're getting it as 0. So what we can say? That this particular, the given vectors form what? A linearly dependent set.